Alright, welcome Jelly Friends. So I hope you were able to visit me from the last video, which was going through the prereqs. Hopefully you're able to get everything done, I hope. Hope so, because we're going to actually get into part 1 officially, which is, oops, I pressed the wrong button, which is part 1 of the series for Build Your Own Jellyfin server. So, yeah, let's get this going here. So I'm just gonna start with the system prep here, which is step 1. So let me get this going. We can do this together. Oh, let me get this, because I'm a copy and paster, and I just have to copy and paste. Without the copy and pasting, I just can't do it. Oh yeah, that's it. Yeah. Well, here, let me make this a little bit better for everybody. Yeah, that's it. That tickles me just right. All right, so here we go. I'm just gonna start with the with that. Gonna go the doing some updates. Basically, is what that is. We're gonna start on the terminal. And there you go, I'm just going to pass that. Boom. If you didn't know, if you are using the Linux Mint, if you don't know, Control-Shift-V will copy and paste it wonderfully. If you get any errors here, just read the error. It'll tell you what's up. Yeah, we just did that update, and that's just going to update the system. The Y makes sure we don't have to press any yeses or anything, which doesn't matter either way. Yeah, if it takes just a few seconds and stops, then you're probably going to have errors. But see how mine's already taken a while? I probably, most likely, won't have any errors. Usually you get your errors in the first couple seconds. Yeah, so give it a minute. Hopefully it doesn't take too long. Wait here forever. Oh god, there's the long part. Jeez. I'm probably gonna speed this up. Yeah, so give it a minute. Once we're done with that, we're gonna do this old code. We're gonna be putting some of these things inside of the system. We're gonna be installing these. If it doesn't already have, I think it does have already a few of these, like UFW, which is the firewall. I don't think it has failed a ban already, but if whatever, we'll put them in anyways. Failed a ban, you want to check on your own. It's an IP blocker sort of thing. Helps you with security. Look it up if you want. Yeah. Let's see. You done? No. Oh my god. Okay. Yep, I'm definitely gonna forward through all the shit. Finally, we finished. Jeez. Alright. So, okay, yeah, so, hey, you just did some updates, cool, it took a little bit, cool, that's fine. So let's do the next best thing here. We're going to install some stuff, like I said. Let's do that. Let's install some stuff. We're going to do that. Oh, my fancy password. Oh, you need to put in a good password. And if you get any errors, read the error, see what it is. You might actually have to like install this is one, right? You might have to like take this one. There we go. Sudo apt install, and then whichever one else. Curl, sudo apt install you know, each one. You still have to install, right? Probably have about half of these already, like I said, but yeah, do each one separately if this doesn't work. Mine did. Nothing. Cool. So, next, you can like copy and paste that whole thing, but I sometimes have problems with that, so I am going to, oh jeez, I'm going to just copy here the first line and then paste it, and this is gonna do some default firewall. So there we go. This is the UFW is the firewall for the system. So you're just going to be giving it some kind of default settings. Here you can always do UF sudo system CRL control, or is it TL? System TL UFW status. Huh? There we go. System control. System status UFW, and it tells you the status. So it's already live, which is fine. That's fine. Here, so if you're going to do SSH, you can do this depending on what you've got already. Install SSH or OpenSSH or whatever. We're not doing that, so we're not doing that. But we are doing port 80, so we're going to open up port 80. Oh man, it's open. So there you go. We got status already. We have. All right, just so you know, all that. So 443. Cool. And so it's already enabled. So. So let's look at the status. Ah, jeez. Okay, let's go sudo system status UFW. Look at that. Up and running. So if you do status this way, just sudo UFW status. There you go. It tells you the ports you are allowing to be open in your computer. And we're just and only allowing those 2 ports. Alright. Oh man, that was it. That was the system prep we needed. Cool. So I guess on the next, so this one was the system preparation for the series that we're doing for build your own Jellyfin server. This was part 1. We're going to be going into part 2, which is as you can see, it's going to be where is it? Was it install Docker and Docker Compose? That's going to be part 2. So yeah, this part might seem a little tricky, but you'll be okay. We'll do this together. Alright, so hopefully you stick with me to the next one. Remember, questions unlock answers. Stay curious, my jellyfins.